Now you will see 5 methods to make $100 a day on YouTube, and I'm going to tell you why I think affiliate marketing is the best way for beginners. You can see here $8,000 payment proof, $6,007 payment proof, $5,800 payment proof. But I'm going to give you 5 methods to get started. Then in the end I will show you click by click how to start making money with affiliate marketing, how to get the links, how to copy paste, and how I received all these $8,000, $6,000, $5,000 payments. The most simple way to make money on YouTube is obviously ads revenue. If you don't know what that means, usually when you start watching a video, in the beginning it plays an ad, or sometimes there is an ad below here, or there may be ad on the right hand side, and if you click some of those ads, the creator earns money. And of course on my main channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online, I'm earning more than $100 per day on ads. But if you're just starting a channel, this is probably not the best one for you, because you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. In my previous video I explained 5 methods how you can get that, but even though you would get that, I would say making money with YouTube ads is not the highest paying amount. For example, on my main channel, even though I would make $100 per day with that, it's just like a nice extra. It's not the main income source, and for most YouTube channels who make a lot of money online, YouTube ads is not the main income source. So yes, you can make $100 per day with it, but there are other even better ways. One way to make $100 per day is of course merch, but I would say this is not so profitable one. For example, if you take a look at YouTubers such as Graham Stefan, who has more than 3.6 million subscribers, he explains how much money, or actually how little money he makes from selling merch. So selling, for example, this kind of hoodie or cap or cups or whatever, this kind of physical stuff, it's not usually really profitable. You may make some money, but it's not the first way if you want to make $100 a day on YouTube. Third way to make $100 per day on YouTube is selling your own products. This is not something I would recommend for beginners, because of course I have created my own program, Tube Journey to Freedom, and I can tell you it takes a lot of work, because I've created a framework how to go from A to Z, how to go from zero to making a life-changing income on YouTube. So I can tell you it requires a lot of work, a lot of planning. Think about all of these things, and then you need to do the support, then you need to do the marketing, then you need to do the delivery, all of these things. So do this if you have a lot of experience, or if you have some previous experience of business, or if you already have a product. If you are starting from scratch, I wouldn't say that don't do it. For example, this channel, Tube Journey to Freedom, I make some money by selling my own product, Tube Journey to Freedom, but I wouldn't say this is for beginners, because of course I have a lot of experience of making money online. I have a lot of experience of making money on YouTube. So for example, much easier way to make money with products is using the fifth way, which is affiliate marketing. We are coming into that in a moment. So you will basically make money, for example, when people buy my program, Tube Journey to Freedom, when somebody clicks and they go and buy it, you earn money for that. So that's of course much easier, because you just need to click and then you earn money. Compare that to creating your own program like from A to Z. Think about which one requires more work. So of course I wouldn't recommend this for beginners, but if you have more experience, then this can be a great way to make money on YouTube and help more people. Next one is YouTube memberships and Patreon. And if you don't know what this means, on YouTube, once you have enough subscribers, you can create these memberships. So let me show you from my main channel. If I click here join, it shows that I have created these different membership levels, that one of them even gives a direct access to me, and you can see different levels right here. So this is of course one way to make money on YouTube, but again I would say that this is one of those extra ways, and this should of course not be your primary method of making money on YouTube, because YouTube takes a huge cut of also from that revenue. I haven't really even promoted that YouTube membership on my main channel. It also shows here the join button, so people can become members of each channel using this one right here. Then another one I mentioned is Patreon. So this is a little bit more popular way of making money. I want to show you an example from Andreas Antonopoulos. So he creates a lot of Bitcoin education for 100% free basically. So he has created this Patreon so people can support his work, and because he keeps on educating people, you can see that he has around 800 Patreons, and you can make a quick math that he probably makes tens of thousands, if not more than $100,000 every single month from Patreon by creating Bitcoin and blockchain content. So of course a lot of people want to support him because he helps so many people to learn about Bitcoin. So that's also another way. But I would say the easiest way and the best for beginners is affiliate marketing. So you make money when people click a button and they buy something online, you make money from that. And I will show you now click by click how to get started with it. So here are these examples: $8,000, $6,000 and $5,800. So if you click any of these links below right here, you will land on Wealthy Affiliate, and I will show you how to get started with this program. I will show you now the sign up process in front of your eyes so you can get your links, copy paste it and start making money with that. But this is of course just one example. I will show that in a moment. Also another one is Binance. Here I showed how I make more than $2,170 for one click. For somebody clicked my link, went to Binance, and I earned more than $2,100 for that click. I show you also how to join Binance referral and affiliate programs so you can copy paste your link and start earning money. They also have this special welcome bonus for new members if you join through my link, because if you go directly to Binance you don't get the special bonus. But let me show you first here on the Wealthy Affiliate. So when you get started here, when you join through my link, you also get my special support as a bonus. I will send you messages and guidance how to get started. So you put your best email address, of course use a real email address, then you put your name. For example, if your name is James, let's say for example your email would be James something@gmail.com. Fill out the password, the username, and then you click here create my account. It says creating account, and then you will be inside the members area for 100% free. Then you watch a welcome video here from Kyle. You got familiar with the platform, and then you click here start training, go to lesson 1. And if you want to start making money with the Wealthy affiliate program, you click here. It says here links and tracking, and when you copy this link, let me copy this, and you paste it somewhere, for example on YouTube, let me show you in the description below your video, you can start making money with that. And they have this training, step-by-step training program, affiliate bootcamp. Let me show you right here. They explain click by click how you will be making money with this program. And then when you come here to my stats, you will see your income here, how much you have earned today, yesterday, 7 days, this month, so on and so forth. So of course here your income will show up, and then you will learn in the training section how to make money, and then you will make money here to the links and tracking section. But I want to mention that Wealthy Affiliates, it's just one of the many ways to make money. There are also many other ways, and I will show you another example in a moment. But when you come to my profile, I will send you messages here, so you will see my face here, Rope2, if you join through my link, and you will receive messages from me, so you will see them right here, and you will be able to send me even private messages here if you are a premium member. So Wealthy Affiliate is of course wonderful, and I wanted to show you also the Binance program, because in this example I showed I made more than $2,000 for one click, which is absolutely insane. So when you join Binance, they have this $100 welcome bonus, by the way, for people who join through my link. So I have here a link right there. You will get the trading bonus and then the cash bonus if you fulfill the requirement. So they have two different programs, and this is pretty typical. They have this referral program where you will make money sharing this with other people, with your friends usually, and then there is the official affiliate program. The difference is that in order to join the affiliate program, you need at least 5,000 followers, but you can start earning money with the referral program, because that's how actually I didn't know this, their official affiliate program. So I was making money with this referral program. That's how I made more than $2,000 for a click. Imagine if I would have known about this affiliate program back then, it would have been more than $4,000 or $5,000 for that click. So basically how to join, you click the link right here, then you will land on this page. You will click here register. You will choose where you live. For example, if you live, let's say in India, you confirm India right here. You will see my referral ID that gives you access to those bonuses. You fill out your email address, your password, and then you click this yellow button, create account. I will go inside the account and show you how it looks. So when you come inside the Binance, you will hover here and you will see this little head here. Then you will click here referral, and I've already opened it on the other tab. You will see right here, and here you will copy and paste, and here you will be able to copy and paste your link. So here, copy this link right here, and then you can paste it anywhere again, for example below your video. I have pasted it here, so whenever people join through my link, I earn a little bit of commission, and whenever people join through your link, you will earn a little bit of commission of trading fees. So if people use the platform, it's not enough if they just join, they need to use the platform. But of course I have made money on Binance as a user since 2017, so I know this Binance Binance platform better than my own pockets. So I know very well how to make money on Binance. So I created this Earn Money on Binance playlist. There are more than 50 videos about Binance. So that's how I make money also through the affiliate program. They have more than 50 videos. People are absolutely loving this. So I teach different strategies how to make money on Binance. I tell which ones I recommend. Basically holding, accumulating Bitcoin. That's how I make money with Bitcoin investing, cryptocurrency investing. There are also 7 ways to make money on Binance. So I create these tutorials, and that's what I also recommend for you. If you want to make money as an affiliate, the best way is to educate people, help people. So that's how you make money. Or if you want to make money, for example, with my Tube Journey to Freedom program, whenever somebody clicks your links and comes to Tube Journey to Freedom, I will pay you at least minimum $100 for that if you bring people to my high quality program. So that's why affiliate marketing is, my personal opinion, best and the easiest method in my opinion to make at least $100 per day, and much more of course on YouTube. And 3 programs that you can start making money is of course Binance affiliate program. One of them is my Tube Journey to Freedom. You can make money when people click your link and come to my program, or you can make money for example with Wealthy Affiliate. Those are just 3 examples. You can ask me in the comments if you need even more examples, and you and me, my friend, we are going to see in the next video on Tube Journey to Freedom YouTube channel, and also inside my Tube Journey to Freedom program. Have a wonderful day, my friend.